struggling with a suppressed search on Amazon, I'm going to be showing you a few simple steps to get that problem fixed. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you how to escalate your cases to get to the right Amazon team the first time. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to ensure that you stay and become a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. What is a suppressed listing, and how do you know if your item is search suppressed? Well, all you have to do is first log into Amazon Seller Central, and then you're going to see search suppressed. And now you know it's search suppressed right away. But sometimes it doesn't show you that it's actually search suppressed. So to see if it's search suppressed, what you need to do is go to Amazon.com. You're going to make sure you search all, type in the ASIN. So copy the ASIN, it's in B as in boy. Click search, and if it doesn't show up, it's search suppressed. So if we type this in, it says no results. So no results for this ASIN. That pretty much just shows that it is 100% search suppressed. You're going to want to take a screenshot of this so that way Amazon knows it's officially search suppressed, because sometimes it doesn't show it right here. If it does show it, you're going to take a screenshot here as well to show that it's search suppressed. And that's pretty much how you know it's search suppressed. You can also filter it right over here if you want to just filter search suppressed listings. What causes search suppression? Well, usually it's 4 different things. The first thing is going to be your main image doesn't go with Amazon's policies. Number 2 is your title. Maybe it's too long, too short. Number 3, your description. Sometimes it shows your description's missing. And number 4 is your price. Maybe your price is too high, too low. So these are the 4 main things that cause the search suppression. Sometimes it's something else. Sometimes it's an internal error or an adult flag. Amazon shadowed your listing, they ghosted it. But usually these are the 4 things that happen to your listing. So how do you fix a search suppression? Well, if it actually shows it's search suppressed on here, you're gonna literally just click fix listing suppression. And then it's going to tell you it's missing an item name, for example, even though it's here. You're gonna type in your item name, save changes, wait 24 hours, and see if the search suppression is removed. A lot of the times it's not removed, so that brings me to the next topic, and that is if it's still not fixed, it's time to do an inventory file update. So this is when it gets serious and it's time to fix the listing for sure 100%. Now before we do this, it's time to take your screenshots. So like I said, you're gonna wanna take screenshots of this error and not showing up, any errors you see on the listing, any fixed listing error suppression, just to have that for Amazon, because they're going to ask you, you updated the item title? And you're gonna literally send a screenshot. Yes, like I literally updated it. It is search suppressed. Try to look at my listing. Look, it's not even showing up. So you're gonna wanna take screenshots. And then then you're gonna go to the inventory report so we can do the inventory file upload. And you're going to see category listings report. You're going to download this. If you do not see a categories listing report, you do need to contact Amazon and say, hey, can you please allow me to have access to the category listings report? You can also screenshot this video and say, look, somebody else has the category listings report, please give me access. Most accounts already have access, especially if you're a professional, but you're gonna download this. It's gonna take around 1 to 5 minutes max. Then you're going to refresh your page and you're going to download this item. Now, once it's downloaded, you're going to open it up and you're simply going to copy your SKU, the one that's search suppressed. And let's open up the file. So here's the file. It's going to have a lot of different ASINs on it, a lot of different items, but you're just going to find the SKU, Control F, and then Control V, find that SKU. And I already cleared the page, so you're gonna clear out all of the items other than the one that you're looking at. So this is the one that we're looking at right here. And the most important, and you wanna move it to the top, which is column number 4. And the most important thing is you wanna make sure you fill out this blue section. This blue section is gonna be one of the most important sections. Also let's click number 1 should be able to open up the additional sections, but we're gonna go through. So the title, make sure the title's there because we saw that was causing the listing suppression. The seller SKU, make sure that's correct. The brand name. Now, Column F is one of the most important sections. Instead of a partial update, you need to make sure it's a full update. So you need to click update. Column F, this is going to be the most important. If you don't do this, you're going to have to redo it. I don't want you to redo it. So make sure it's a full update. Fill this out, the manufacturer, everything to the best of your ability, the main image URL. And then you can also click number 2. And number 2 will open up all of the sections. So fill this out to the best of your ability. Anything in red, if we zoom in really quick, you can see this is in red. These are the most important things you need to fill out. And then just kind of fill out the rest to the best of your ability. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. We just want to try to fix that listing suppression. Then you're going to save this multiple times. Then we're going to go back into here, and we're simply going to go to your catalog, add products via upload. So to add your products via upload, you're just going to get that sheet that you completed and you're going to upload it. So let me upload it right now. And there we go. Now we have it uploaded. Let's see. Try again. Like I said, you're going to upload it, you're going to submit the documents, and now you're going to go to the upload status and you're going to copy that batch ID. So this is what you need to give to Amazon so they can help fix your listing. They're gonna most likely make you do this anyway. So if you do this, it's going to really help you fix your listing suppression. And then you're going to go to help, and then we're gonna go my issues not listed, and then we'll just say, hi, Amazon. And the first thing you wanna do is get this to the correct team, which is going to be the catalog team. Please transfer this to the catalog team, right? And then you're going to give them a batch ID. I did a full inventory file update, and I need my listing suppression fixed for ASIN. You're just gonna put the ASIN, and then you're gonna put the batch ID. Also see screenshots, and you're gonna put the screenshots that show that it is actually search suppressed. The ones that I told you to take, you're gonna click continue. My issue is not listed, or you can do inventory file upload issue. You can do that as well. Product or listing related. And then what you want to do is open it up via email first, because email lets you attach all those photos. So right when you open it up via email, after you do that, then you're going to call Amazon and you're going to say, hey, can you read the first message in my case log? They're going to see it, and then you're going to try to make sure that they transfer it to the catalog team. The catalog team does have a phone number, so they should be able to help you and get that resolved. Now, for staying till the end of the video, I'm gonna be showing you the different teams that you can escalate the issues to right here. So first, when you do open up your case, it's going to go to a seller support representative. A lot of the times they want to take the case on themselves, and they're just so slow. So right from the get, you want to be like, hey, do you know, here's my batch ID. Do you know how to update my batch ID? Can you update? And then they should be able to transfer you to the catalog team. They're going to be like, I don't know how to update a batch ID. And you're going to say, please transfer this to the catalog team. The catalog team will be able to resolve this issue 99% of the time. And if they can't do it, then you can ask them to escalate to the captive team, the leadership team. If you have brand registry, you can also reach out to the brand registry team to fix it, because sometimes if you're brand registered, they say they can't access it. And then for the highest level, you have executives. So these are kind of the teams, the internal teams at Amazon, and the executive team you don't want to use unless your account's pretty much suspended and you tried everything. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon, and like the video if you are an Amazon seller. And I highly recommend you subscribe, because we're giving out great content for you in your Amazon journey. And don't forget to hire us if you need help in your Amazon journey. The link is in the description. Our #1 service is our full Amazon seller account management, where we'll manage your inventory, your customer service, your advertising. We'll be calling Amazon for you, and of course, increasing your sales. That's our full account management, and you can contact us at ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.